Okay, in this example, we want to find the perimeter again, and this time you'll notice that we have a triangle, but then this is a straight line with a semicircle as part of it. And we need to figure out what that is, because the perimeter of this is going to go from here down, over, and then semicircle. It will be my entire. So it's going to be my 8 feet plus my 6 feet plus that semicircle will be my perimeter. So I have to figure out what that perimeter is. And if you remember how to find the perimeter of a circle, the circumference is what that's called, is equal to pi times my diameter. And I do know the diameter being 10, but remember this is a semicircle, so I want the circumference of half of the circle. So I only want half of this. So I want to do your pi, which we're going to go ahead and do as 3.14, times my diameter, which is 10, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. So if you're not using a calculator, my best bet is to take 10 divided by 2 and get 5, and then I'm taking 5 times 3.14, and so what would that be? 3 times 0.14. Just grab my calculator real quick. You can grab yours also to make sure you're understanding. I can even put it right there. I don't think you'll be able to see that, so I'll just do it real quick. 3.14 times 5, or I could times it by 10 and then divide by 2. It's all up to you what you want to do. But I'm going to get 15.7, which means that is this area, or my question mark, which is 15.7. So what I'm going to do now is add my 15.7 plus my 6 plus my 8, which I've done in my head already is 14. So I'm going to take this 15.7 plus my 14 on my calculator, and I'm going to get 29.7. And again, because of, oh, it's going to be actually the full thing because that was the exact number of the semicircle. So 29.7, I look back at my labels, and they're labels, so it's not going to be units, it's going to be feet, and it's just around the outside edge, so it's just length. So my answer is 29 and 7/10 feet. Notice how I circle my answer at the end too when I write all over my board. So if you think you understand this one, I will show you one other one real quick too before you can do one on your own. You'll have 2 examples to do. Actually, I'll have to go and do one. But go click next and do the next one, and then I will give you the next example in another video.